Hey guys, smartphone manufacturers are competing based on which model has most RAM, fastest processor, highest resolution, etc. So phones nowadays have become more expensive than in the past. Now the phone are costing around $1,000 to $2,000. Umidigi, the Chinese smartphone manufacturer, has launched a phone Umidigi A5 Pro which has got excellent build quality despite the fact that it will only cost you $150. Umidigi has used 2.5D Core glass on both the sides of the phone edged by a metal frame. As you can see in this video, this phone completely looks like a flagship phone. So talking about its specification, this phone has got a huge display of 6.3 inch which is an IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution. It is powered by an Mediatek Helio P23 processor, which is an octa-core processor coupled with 4GB of RAM. You can find a Mali GPU which is Mali G71. Camera of this phone, it has got a triple rear camera like a flagship of 16MP plus 8MP plus 5MP with dual LED flash. It has got an 8MP of front selfie shooter which takes decent pictures. The battery of this phone is huge 4150 mAh with no fast charging provided. 4150 mAh may last your phone for 2 days. This phone is expected to launch on May 8 and the pricing details is this phone will cost you $150 in the international market, and this phone you can buy on the Chinese website from India also, which will cost you around 10,000 rupees. Umidigi is a trusted Chinese smartphone brand, so the quality issues will not be there. You can buy this phone from India without any hesitation. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.